Welcome to our tutorial on crafting your very own paper glider plane. Making a paper glider is a fun and simple activity that can provide hours of entertainment. Let's dive into the steps to create a glider that not only looks great, but flies smoothly. First, choose a sheet of standard A4 or letter-sized paper. Begin by folding the paper in half lengthwise. This preliminary fold helps guide the rest of your creases. Unfold the paper, leaving a clear crease down the center. Next, fold the top two corners towards the center line, forming a triangle at the top of your paper. Make sure your folds are sharp for better aerodynamics. Fold the triangle down, aligning the point with the bottom edge of the paper, creating a flap. Now, take the new top corners and fold them towards the center line again. This should form a smaller triangle with a rectangular top. Fold the triangular flap upwards over the new folds to lock them in place. Next, fold the plane in half along the original crease. With the folded side facing you, fold each wing down so that their top edges align with the bottom of the plane's body. Ensure both wings are symmetrical, as this is crucial for stable flight. Now unfold the wings slightly to form a T shape with the body. For additional stability, you can make small vertical folds at the edges of the wings, known as winglets. These help control the glider's flight path by providing balance and reducing turbulence. Test your glider by gently launching it forward. If it veers to one side, adjust the wings or winglets by bending them slightly until you find the perfect balance. Experiment with different throwing speeds and angles to see how they affect the flight. Congratulations, you've just made a paper glider plane. With practice, you can try modifying your design for better performance or aesthetics. Share your creations with friends and see whose glider can fly the farthest. Thanks for joining us, and happy flying.